Let us discuss the mean of a discrete random variable. The mean of a discrete random variable is also known as the average. It is the expected value of x, defined as the sum of the products formed from multiplying the possible values of the random variable x with their corresponding probabilities, or p of x. Let's have an example. So given the table, what is the average number of vaccine shots availed by individuals? First step is to get the products of the values with their corresponding probabilities, denoted by x times p of x. So just get the products of its value with their corresponding probabilities. So 0 times 0.15 is 0. 1 times 0.25 is 0.25. 2 times 0.40 is 0.80. 3 times 0.20 is 0.60. Then just add all the products. 0 plus 0.25 plus 0.80 plus 0.60 is 1.65. Therefore, our mean is 1.65. Another example. What is the average number of cups of coffee consumed in a day by an adult? So just get the products of the number of cups with their corresponding probabilities. So 2 times 3 over 8 is 6 over 8. 3 times 2 over 8 is 6 over 8. 4 times 2 over 8 is 8 over 8. And 5 times 1 over 8 is 5 over 8. Then just add all the products. 6 over 8 plus 6 over 8 plus 8 over 8 plus 5 over 8 is 24 over 8, or 3. Therefore, our mean is 3. Let us now discuss on how to calculate the variance of a discrete random variable. By the way, what is meant by variance? Variance measures how far a set of data is spread out from the mean. Let's have the steps. Number 1, solve for x times p of x. Number 2, calculate the mean by adding the results obtained in step 1. Number 3, solve for x squared times p of x. Number 4, add the results obtained in step 3. And number 5, calculate the variance using the formula the square of sigma is equal to the summation of x squared times p of x minus the square of the mean. Let's have an example. So calculate the variance of a discrete random variable wherein given the number of vaccine shots with their corresponding probability. So first, let's have the product of x and p of x. So 0 times 0.15 is 0. 1 times 0.25 is 0.25. 2 times 0.40 is 0.80. And 3 times 0.20 is 0.60. Then add all the products. We have the mean, which is equal to 1.65. Then get the product of x and the product of x times p of x. So we have 0 times 0 is 0. 1 times 0.25 is 0.25. 2 times 0.80 is 1.60. 3 times 0.60 is 1.80. Then add all the products. We have 3.65. So this is the summation of x squared times p of x. Then use the formula for the square of sigma, which is equal to the summation of x squared times p of x minus the square of the mean, which is equal to 3.65 minus the square of the mean, which is 1.65. Then it is equal to 3.65 minus the square of the mean, which is 2.72. Then 3 times, or 3.65 minus 2.72 is equal to 0.93. Therefore, the variance is equal to 0.93. Next, let's get the variance of the number of cups with their corresponding probability. So we have to get the product of x and p of x. So 2 times 3 over 8 is 6 over 8. 3 times 2 over 8 is also 6 over 8. 8 over 8 as a product of 4 and 2 over 8. And 5 times 1 over 8 is 5 over 8. Then add, we have 24 over 8, or 3. So this will be the value of the mean. Next, the last column is the product of x and x times p of x. So 2 times 6 over 8 is 12 over 8. 3 times 6 over 8 is 18 over 8. 4 times 8 over 8 is 32 over 8. 5 times 5 over 8 is 25 over 8. Then add all the products, we have 87 over 8 as the sum of the product of x squared times p of x. Then get the variance using the formula. So we have the summation of x squared times p of x minus mean squared. We have 87 over 8 minus the square of 24 over 8 is equal to 87 over 8 minus the square of 24 over 8, which is 72 over 8. So 87 over 8 minus 72 over 8 is equal to 15 over 8, which is equal to 1.875. Therefore, our variance is 1.875.